Moving on, real chocolate is making a comeback and your wallet will thank you because the chocolate on your shelf is about to get better and cheaper. After more than a year of shrinking bars, extra wafers and products that barely qualify as chocolate, real cocoa is coming back. At least one major chocolate maker has already made that shift. Others are expected to follow. What changed? Well, cocoa prices have crashed. Cocoa futures have fallen nearly 70% from their record high levels in late 2024. That dramatic slump has made traditional chocolate profitable again after a brutal stretch when sky-high bean prices forced manufacturers to cut corners. The results were hard to miss on supermarket shelves. Bars got smaller, fillers like wafers and caramel increased. Some products had so little cocoa in them that they could no longer be legally called chocolate. Consumers noticed and they didn't like it. Now, with costs falling sharply, manufacturers have room to reverse course. More cocoa going back into bars means better taste, better labeling, and eventually lower prices for shoppers. But the ripple effects go beyond the candy aisle. Cocoa farmers, many based in West Africa, are watching closely. The price collapse that's good for the chocolate makers has squeezed farming incomes hard. A recovery in consumer demand for real chocolate could help stabilize the market and restore some earnings for growers. Industry analysts say the shift is still early. Not every brand has announced changes, but the direction is clear and it follows the money. When cocoa prices were at record highs, cutting cocoa made business sense. But now, with prices down sharply, adding it back does for consumers. Now, the takeaway is simple. Full cocoa chocolate bar, you remember, may be returning to stores soon than you think. The era of chocolate alternatives and shrinkflation may finally be ending.